All right, welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to start with the second part of sending a message. All right, so we're gonna finally be able to send a message in our application using this API. All right, so now that we have instantiated the object right here, we have the client. Let's use it to send a message. Super simple. So now let's go here and let's just say client to use that. And Twilio has a couple properties here to actually define the different accounts they got. So we're gonna define this account. We're gonna access this account for messages, and then we're gonna use the method send message. All right, cool. And here we're gonna have a couple parameters, actually 3 parameters. First, we're gonna have the number from Twilio. This would be the phone number that we're going to be using, the one that you just purchased. Hopefully you just purchased that one, not this one. But if you go to the dashboard, well, in my case, I'm using their beta. So I'm gonna exit the beta here, and I just want to show you. You should have your phone number somewhere. Just get your phone number that you just purchased from them, or you're in the trial, and paste it right here, and they just take the dashes out. All right, if you want, what you can do is you can put this in this array here in config, like this, like I did right here. All right, I did this before I even created this video. So make sure that you probably have this. All right, go ahead and create another key here, phone number, and then have the number there. All right. That way you can just access it from here. Now, one thing that we have to do here is we have to return this array. I just noticed that, so that way we can use it without having to go in and pull those values out in a different way. So this way we can just go ahead and do this config and phone number. There we go. Now the second parameter here would be the number that actually comes from the form, the number that we are going to be texting to. So this would be our neighbor, our friend, whoever we want to send a message to. In this case, this would be created by the user in the form, so it would be number. And of course this one here would be the message. All right, so post message. There we go. All right, that's cool. All right, now let's put some type of feedback here for the user, just so they know that the message has been sent. Message has been sent. All right, now let's take a look and see if it works. This is the magic moment right now. Let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna use my Google Voice account. You can use your cell phone. That's okay. Any cell phone will do. And 539-777-12 there. Does this work? Sent, and voila! That means it works, guys, because if it went through that line of code, that means it works. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 guys. All right, let's create a better message here. Let's do an H3. Let's give it a class of what class should we give it? Text center. That would center that. All right, I think. All right, I think that looks good. Let's try this out real quick. There we go, message has been sent. And we can even go further and add a color to it. So BG success, just to give it a good color with Bootstrap. All right. All right, there we go. All right, so now we are officially sending messages, and we're using this in the development uh, environment. All right, so we are able to send messages in the development environment. All right, that's not going to always be true with other functionalities of Twilio. All right, but anyway, so now this code is good. You can, however, do whatever you want. You can take this, extract this to a function, to a class, create a really cool class for sending messages. It's up to you. All right. Anyway, we're done with this for now, and we got to jump into other areas of our course. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're having a lot of fun, and I'll see you in the next. One thing before we go anywhere else. That's fine. We don't need to. I was gonna say that sometimes it's better to trim this, the phone number, but we're not actually, comparing this with anything else. So make sure that whatever comes from the form, you trim it down or you modify it before you show it to, if you're gonna need it somewhere else. All right. But in this case, we're not taking this to the database. But if you're taking this to the database, make sure that you clean it out. You escape it, because you never know what's coming in. All right, so in this case, we're not taking anything into the database right now. And if you're looking to find out how to escape your data so that way you don't get hacked or anything in your application, people don't go and do bad things to your database, I have a really good course on PHP security there that should be available by now. If it's not available, let me know and I'll make it public, but it should be available. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture.